The Hotronix Dual Air Fusion IQ was built with the customer in mind. It has an A and B workstation so that you can fulfill large jobs at a high efficiency. Here at Stahls, we've curated two package types known as the Efficiency Package and then another one that includes additional items known as the Efficiency and Performance Package. Before we dive into those, let's talk about what the heat press comes with on its own. So, as I mentioned, we have the A and B workstations. With that, we have the quick slip platen protectors that go over the standard 16x20 platens that come with the machine. These quick slip platen protectors are ideal for threadability. And at Hotronix, that's what all of the heat presses are known for, being able to thread on garments so that you're working with just one surface area. In addition to those quick slip platen protectors, we're also adding in the laser alignment systems that are built into the machine. As you can see here, I have one laser that's on right now, and it's showing me exactly where is center of my t-shirt now that it's threaded on. So that's everything that comes with the Dual Air Fusion IQ. Let's talk about the first package, which is the Efficiency Package. The contents included in this package is the Transfer Express Marketing Kit, which is going to give you a variety of screen print transfers to get started with the purchase of your heat press. We're also including a pack of 25 craft paper cover sheets and some interchangeable platens. The first interchangeable platen is this 6x20 platen, which is great for threading on sleeves and pant legs. And it comes with the quick slip platen protector as well, so that it works very easily for threadability. We're also including the 11x15 platen. This is great for ladies' tees or any type of slim fit type of garment. All right, it will also include the 11x15 quick slip platen protector, again for that easy threadability. And then of course your 6x10 platen that is great for left chest logos or any type of small placement. Let's see how they work with the Dual Air Fusion IQ. Most Hotronix heat presses have the easy ability to interchange platens. So with this, we have a quick latch underneath the platen, which allows us to unlock the pin and release the platen that's in place. Right, so I'm unloading that 16x20 that comes with the dual and dropping in the 11x15. Right, so you can see that there's a pin there that allows us to drop into that designated area. And then we'll push that quick latch back and it'll lock it in place so that it's not moving on me as I'm threading garments. So you can see just how efficient this can be, especially when trying to fulfill large orders so that you're working with a smaller area and able to thread on garments so that no seams or anything can be causing uneven pressure whenever you're working with your garment. In addition to these accessories, we're also including the heat printing cart. This cart is ideal for being able to haul the Dual Air Fusion wherever you need it to be. So the mobility is very easy with this cart. It locks in place so that the wheels aren't moving around on you whenever you are using the machine, or you can unlock them to be able to move it wherever you need to in your shop. So for just $7,995, you can get the Efficiency Package and add more versatility to your purchase of the Dual Air Fusion IQ. We're also including shipping in that price, so keep that in mind. The next package is the Efficiency and Performance Package. This is going to include everything that was included in the Efficiency Package in addition to our Power Platen family set. What's included in this set is the control panel, the 6x20, the 6x6, the 11x15, and the standard 16x20. They all have their own quick slip platen protectors that come with the platens. Let's head over to the dual so that we can see how they work. So I already have my control panel plugged in, and this works just like your standard clam type of heat presses where you can manually enter the temperature that you want your power platen to be at. The power platens have a dedicated cord that plug into the back of your control panel and lock in place so that there's no movement or anything, right? And now it's going to read out the exact temperature that the power platen is set at. These are ideal for printing performance wear or any type of heat sensitive fabric so that you're not scorching or leaving a heat print box, which is typical whenever doing performance wear where you see these edges come through the shirt. To get the most out of your dual air fusion IQ investment, you can choose the efficiency and performance package for $9,795. You'll have the versatility of using the standard interchangeable platens and be able to print performance wear successfully with the power platens. For more information, visit Stahls.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.